Hey guys, welcome to Algo Prep Master, and in this video I'm going to show you how to deploy your web app, your React web app on Firebase for free. So if you're a beginner with React and you're trying to deploy your web app into Firebase, and that's the message that you're getting, this video is for you. And even if you just want to know how to use Firebase, because Firebase is pretty straightforward. It's amazing if you're using it with React, but there is a way to do it, and I'll show you the way in this video. So what you want to do is have a web app that's ready to be deployed, and I have this website right here. It's a basic gallery web app, and the first thing that you want to do is create a new project, and you don't need Google Analytics for it. Just use a name that you want your website to be named, and then the next step would be Visual Studio Code. So what you want to do is log into Firebase using this command, Firebase login. I'm already logged in, so I'm not going to use it. After you log in, you want to Firebase init, and it's going to ask you if you want to, are you ready to proceed? Yes. Now we're going to go down to hosting, and you push space and then enter, and then we're going to use an existing project, and we're going to use the project that we just created. So mine is just this one, and then it's going to ask us what do you want to use as your public directory. So we want to do build, press enter, and then configure as a single page app, no. Automatic builds, no. And let it do its thing. Okay, now the next step is very important, because if you go from here and try to deploy your app, it's probably not going to work. You want to run this command, npm run build, and this is basically going to run your production build. So remember, if you don't do this step, this is like where a lot of people get it wrong. That's when your app's not going to work. Now the next step would be to deploy your app, but before you do that, if you want to save some time, because if you're deploying something that's very heavy, it's going to take a minute. So there is a command called Firebase serve only hosting, and this is basically going to show you what your website is going to look like before you deploy it. So we're going to use this command just to make sure that our website looks exactly how it looks on our console, like on our how your website looks just regularly, because sometimes when you try to deploy it into Firebase, it might look a little different. You might have the CSS a little off, or the JavaScript, so you just want to make sure that it looks the same, and if it does, then your next step, the last step, would be Firebase deploy. Now in this case, it's probably gonna be a little faster, just because it's a very small project. It's nothing huge, but if you have like a more complicated project with more components, it might take a little more. But yeah, just to make sure that it works. As you can see, looks exactly how it looks locally. So I hope this tutorial helped you out, and I'll try my best to do more tutorials about React and JavaScript, because I really love JavaScript and React. It's amazing. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Have a good one, and if you like it, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.